There's no relief for beleaguered edtech major Byju's just yet. This after the National Company Law Tribunal deferred the rights issue matter to the 6th of June. Remember, the NCLT's order had prevented Byju's from using its funds from the rights issue and had asked the startup to deposit the money in an escrow account. However, investors allege that Byju's has used the funds in violation of the NCLT's order. Ritu joins us now with more. Ritu, take us to what transpired at the NCLT today and where this leaves Byju's.
Well, for Byju's, there's no relief just yet because NCLT's interim orders that were issued on the 27th of February continue to remain in force, and that means Byju's has to keep the funds raised from the rights issue in an escrow account, and it cannot use them until the court's final orders in the matter. Now, during the hearing in court today, 4 of Byju's investors who have filed an oppression and mismanagement plea against the company accused Byju's of using some of the funds raised during the recently concluded rights issue in violation of the NCLT order, and they also alleged that Byju's had not deposited the money that it received from this prior to the 27th of February in an escrow account, which is contrary to the directions of the court. Now, Byju's refuted these allegations, and it said it was in compliance with the court's orders, and the court has now asked the investors to file either an application or an affidavit to put their claims on the record in a week's time, after which it will hear the matter. For now, the case has been adjourned, and it will now only be taken up after the 6th of June. Now, keep in mind, Byju's has stated it needed this rights issue money to tackle the ongoing liquidity crunch, and that includes the payments of salaries to employees, vendor payments, and so on. And Byju's, we know, has already delayed the payout of March salaries, only partially paid its employees from the debt that was raised by its founder, Byju Ravindran. And so now, with no relief in sight from the court on the use of funds from this rights issue just yet, it remains unclear at this point in time how the company is going to meet its obligations, including paying its employees their salaries in the coming months.
Ritu, many thanks.